Is dermatology covered under health insurance? It will depend on your insurance plan design. Another respondent suggested asking your healthcare provider, e.g., the dermatologist, if they're covered by your insurance. This is a bad idea. Never expect a doctor or his/her staff to know if something is covered or whether they're in your network. They don't know, and they will frequently tell you something is covered when it isn't. That is your responsibility. Instead, do this. First, check your insurance carrier's website to see if the doctor is in network. If you do nothing else, this is the single most determining factor impacting your out-of-pocket costs. Second, request a copy of your SBC, Summary of Benefits and Coverage. Read it, all of it. If your coverage question isn't answered, go to step 3. Third, contact your insurance broker, agent, or agency to help you figure out if a procedure is covered by your plan, and determine what you can expect to pay, if anything, for the services in question. Fourth, if all of the above have failed to determine whether or not the service is covered, contact your insurance carrier and ask. Dermatology is concerned with treatment of diseases associated with the health of the skin, nails, and mucous membranes. These, by default, are not excluded from the scope of health insurance. But, in India, health insurance mainly pays only for hospitalizations, and if there are complications associated with skin, nails or mucous membranes where hospitalization is involved, you may get the claims paid from your insurance policy. For instance, accidental injuries may need skin grafts to do, or there can be lesions or lipomas that have grown big enough to be a medical problem. Accidental burns may require microsurgery. Or, skin cancer may need a hospitalized treatment. If and when a medical issue is involved with skin or nails or mucous membranes, and the treatment calls for hospitalization, health insurance policies should and would pay. Medical dermatologists are. Cosmetic dermatologists are not generally covered. Personal medical procedures carried out that are not medically necessary, but the patient's choice, are not paid for by others. In the case of medical dermatology, my body, my choice, is paid for by those making that choice. Dermatologists is a provider type that health insurance companies contract with. However, benefits depend on the type of services you receive and the benefits outlined in your policy. My advice: contact your insurance company to verify the dermatologist you want to see participates in your provider network and then ask for benefits.